Yes, my people, welcome back and welcome to another one. Yeah, man. Today we are talking about Vybz Kartel and Shatta Wale in Ghana, in Africa, in our spot there. Them fi keep a stage show with them a talk about. Them a promote it away through videos and on other social media and all kind of things. To give a better picture, a better look at what are gonna happen right in Africa between Shatta Wale and Vybz Kartel. Yeah, man. Street crowning. Yes. Me I tell you, brother, a big stage show, a big thing. Yeah, man. Well, them say the crown belongs to the streets. Yes. History thing. History. And you know, say if that really flourish and come to, you know, say a big thing for Vybz Kartel, a big thing for Shatta Wale, a big thing for Jamaica, a big thing for Africa. Can you imagine? All them come together and unite in Africa. Right there, so Africa will get a real dancehall reggae kick off like what them really want. Believe it or not, I tell you. And that stage show that big, that black. Cause you know the people them coffee Vybz Kartel in Africa. And you don't know say Shatta Wale is straight king in Africa. In Ghana. Can you imagine what kind of impact that would let off? It would be a big, massive stage show. Need all them come together and kick off a big, massive stage show. What kind of impact that Africa, Ghana, that sell off. Every little thing that sell off. Every hotel long that book off. Every rental car company that done. Just imagine it. Just imagine it, my peeps. I'm gonna make you imagine it more. I'm gonna make you imagine it more. I'm gonna make you imagine it more. Because we are gonna show you a video how way them I use promote and start promote it. So that's you can't show a light. I'm gonna show you it's make out. And when you watch this video, you're gonna have a bigger and a better picture of what they're gonna deal with. Believe it or not. Yes, my people. Crazy something. Crazy something. Now I'll make you check it out. Check it out good. It's on design and building an AI. Take care of all the social media. I'm going to broadcast it. I make it my own way and show you. Yes, you're gonna get a better understand. So if this thing really come true and comes up to the bearings, a big thing in Africa, believe big thing in Ghana. So my people, check out the video. Boom. Yardman TV News and Entertainment. Check him out.
Ghana. The Shatta Movement camp has confirmed what many thought was impossible. Ghana's dancehall king, Shatta Wale, and Jamaica's world boss, Vybz Kartel, are coming together for the historic Street Crown concert in Accra. This isn't just another show, it is a cultural turning point for Africa and the entire dancehall world. For the first time, two kings of the genre, one representing Africa and the other representing the Caribbean, will share a stage to crown the streets with music, unity, and history. Why this show matters. For Shatta Wale, the concert is the highest crown of his career, proof that the sound that grew from the streets of Accra has not only conquered Africa, but is now standing shoulder to shoulder with the roots of Jamaican dancehall. For Vybz Kartel, performing in Ghana sends a global message. Africa is not just consuming dancehall, Africa is producing it, owning it, and exporting it. Across the continent, fans are calling it the Bridge of Fire moment, the powerful link between Ghana and Jamaica, between Accra and Kingston, between the youth of Africa and the Caribbean. It is the diaspora united through sound and spirit. Impact on Ghana. The positive effects of this concert will go far beyond the stadium lights. Tourism boost. Thousands of visitors from Africa, Europe, the US and the Caribbean are expected, filling hotels, restaurants, transport services and nightlife spots in Accra. Cultural recognition. Ghana will once again be seen as a music capital of Africa. This time not only for Afrobeats, but as a global dancehall hub. Youth inspiration. The concert proves that dreams born in the streets of Africa can rise to international heights, inspiring the next generation of African artists and entrepreneurs. The show experience. Fans can expect a live premiere of the Street Crown remix, already buzzing online, but destined to shake the stadium when performed live. A stage design that blends Accra's raw street energy with Jamaica's sound system culture, transforming the stadium into the world's dancehall capital for one night. Explosive choreography, high-energy sound systems, and back-to-back hit songs, creating the ultimate street festival atmosphere. Digital and media buzz. The Street Crown concert is set to dominate online platforms. Streaming surge. Expect spikes in Shatta Wale and Vybz Kartel's catalogues globally. Viral challenges. TikTok dances, Instagram reels, and watch party live streams will trend across Africa, the Caribbean. Final word. The Street Crown concert is more than a performance. It's a statement of power, unity, and recognition. It crowns Shatta Wale as Africa's undisputed dancehall king, while honouring Ghana as a cultural giant ready to host and celebrate the world's biggest icons. Accra is not just preparing for a concert, it is preparing for history. The crown belongs to the street.
Tips. Watch a video and I see what me really I talk about. Yeah man. So they tell me how I feel. No bias. You know when nothing I promote like this, it's a thing in the pipeline planning. So if anything and it not come true, you know them have someone like this I go come true. Because Vybz Kartel need to go to Africa, someone of them place there, and he need to show him face down there. I don't know people them are support him from day one. From day one, this is one of the landmark where I have to go plant him flags. Yes, my people, believe it or not. Now tell me how you feel. Comment, like, share. Yeah man. Big up on yourself. Yardman TV News and Entertainment. Catch up on another one. Boom. I'm out.